Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Carter, and today, I'm going to be showing you my custom red, I call him a riot trooper. So yeah, I'm going to show you him. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, he was really easy to make. This is going to be kind of a quickie review. I just put a red on his arms. Really? Nothing special. I colored his whole torso red. Whole head, well, red. He has red boots. Here's the back. Nothing really to say about him. He's basically just red snowtrooper. I mean, not snowtrooper, stormtrooper. There's nothing special about him. I just basically colored him red. I don't know why. Just felt like it. I was pretty bored yesterday, so I decided to make it. And yeah, turned out pretty good. What do you think of it? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? I'd like to know. So, please rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me ideas to make my videos better. Put this on your favorites. Like it. Do all those great things to support me, because I love supports. Oh, there's his head. Really quick. Yeah, so please make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching.